My mum tells me I've always loved cutting and sticking. I always save things, ticket stubs, photos, little bits of life. I just didn't know that that was a hobby. I definitely didn't know that it was a whole artistic world that I could actually be good at. I can't draw for toffee, but if you give me a ruler, I have a pretty good eye. I work in A4, mostly using Stampin' Up supplies, so you will see those regularly because I am a demonstrator. When I'm not metrifying layouts into A4, I'm using story embellishments in my layouts. These are embellishments that earn their place on the page by telling the story. They're not there just to be pretty for pretty's sake. My layouts have no florals and they're not mumsy. It's just real memory keeping that actually works. This channel is for rebel scrapbookers. We're just figuring it out together as we go. If you're a real human with stories to tell, you're in the right place. A piece of paper is my analog, mindful space. It keeps me away from screens. And here, even the smallest stories deserve a page. I'm Kerry. Welcome.